Good morning, Kevin. Just wanted to first give you a pre-correct here. I'm recording this at home, so if you hear my dog bark, please disregard her. Here's how you can easily, with one click, reply to those automatic messages requesting, something for a different email address. When you open Outlook, up here at the top in the ribbon, you should have something called Quick Steps. In the Quick Steps, you're going to click here at the very bottom. It should say More. And when you get here, you're going to go down to where it says New Quick Step and say Custom. It's going to give you a pop-up where first you're going to name it. So mine, I just usually name something that I remember. Let's see, I'm going to do SSD account. Then go here to where it says choose an action. In the drop down, you're going to scroll down until you get to respond. And then click where it says reply. Then click where it says options. And you're going to see here that it's going to automatically reply to wherever you're applying this. And in the text box, put whatever message you want. So usually I say something like, please use your ssdmo.org account to log in to Google Drive in order to access this document. And then I'm going to click here where it says send automatically after 1 minute. Okay. Now I go ahead and I add some different things to it. I say my next one would be like, let's see, move the message to a different folder or delete the message. I'm not going to add that this morning. And then you just say finish. Okay. Now you can see up here that it says SSD account. And when I just clicked on that a minute ago, it should be sending you a message with my response. So let me know if you got it, if you didn't get it. The important things to remember are that now when somebody sends it to you, all you have to do is highlight that email in your list and then click on this button at the top. Hope this helps. Hope this clears up a lot of your anxiety with all these freaking people requesting things that they shouldn't be requesting. Let me know if you need any additional help. I'd be happy to help you.